Unlock the hidden power of your Canon Eos 2000d with Magic Lantern, transforming it into a creative powerhouse. First things first, you'll need a freshly formatted SD card. Make sure it's completely empty to avoid any conflicts. Next, visit the official Canon website and download the latest firmware update for your Eos 2000d. This is crucial for compatibility. Once downloaded, extract the firmware file to the root of your formatted SD card. Do not put it inside any folders. Ensure your camera battery is fully charged, and interruption during the process can break your camera. With the SD card in your camera, navigate to the firmware update option in your camera's menu and initiate the update. Once the official Canon firmware is updated, head over to the Magic Lantern Nightly Builds page to download the latest Magic Lantern build for your 2000d. Similar to the Canon firmware, extract all the Magic Lantern files directly to the root of your SD card. Insert the SD card back into your camera, turn it on, and Magic Lantern should automatically boot up, giving you access to new features. Explore the new menus and settings. Remember, this is unofficial firmware. Use it responsibly and enjoy your enhanced camera.